And the sand is hitting me like 1,000 knives.
Run for cover! The sprinklers are on! Somebody forgot to turn off the sprinklers. Is that why it's flooded? Wow, look at this. Look at this water coming up here against this.
The stairs are already gone?
The stairs are gone.
See it there?
Oh my goodness.
This squall over us right now that's coming here, and this is doing me almost no good whatsoever.
Good afternoon. I'm driving eastbound in Boca Raton to do some storm chasing and watch the approach of what is currently Tropical Storm Nicole. The mission here is to make it to the Barrier Islands, drive north where it'll be worse conditions, and check out whatever accessible coastline we can get access to. And looks like FPL crews are out here, possibly. I'm not sure what these guys are doing. Oh, wow. Now there is there's some major damage to that electricity pole. You can see the trucks all out here working on it. This is Delray Beach. I'm just gonna take a quick peek at it while we're here.
It stopped raining enough to where I can do this. Good God in heaven. Guys, look how high up this water's come. So this wind at my back is coming from the north. This thing is swirling around, and the winds are coming really right now from the northwest, which is weird. The one good thing about being out here when this is happening is you don't have to worry too much about projectiles. I mean, you never know, but big things flying around. It's a big open area. This surge is just amazing. Look at the size of those waves. And the sand is hitting me like 1,000 knives. Is blowing around. I can feel it in my ears when I turned. Guys, the wind is really pushing me. We're getting some good gusts, probably 60, 65 miles an hour, and it's bringing sand along with it. The sand is pelting me along with the rain. And it hurts. All right, guys, I'm gonna make my way north now. The goal is to get to the pier in Lake Worth. Let's see what the conditions are like over there. One more shot of this surge. Because of this wind, I almost don't realize how much rain is hitting me. My shirt is completely soaked. I gotta get back to the truck. What the hell, they're wet anyway. Might as well get the sand off. I need windshield wipers for the glasses. I should have brought a change of shirt. Oh well. So, free parking for the day.
Guys, I gotta tell you, it feels so good to be in here and out of that, but it's still cold in here from the air conditioning. I gotta go for the heat now.
Continue on current road for about 11 miles.
But this is getting closer to where they're, as of right now, expecting landfall to be. Somewhere between West Palm and Fort Pierce. And here's Boynton Beach. Let's check it out.
Looks like we're not the only ones.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Boynton Beach. This time I'm putting my slicker on.
Come on, Mickey Mouse. I know you're in there somewhere.
Snug as a bug in a rug.
This is basically a garbage bag with Mickey Mouse's picture on it.
Insert your own jokes.
Figures I put this on and the rain stops. A lot of other looky-loos out here with me. I'm not the only one. I'm not down there yet, but as this gust hits me, I was just going to say that the conditions seemed a lot worse in Delray, actually. Yeah, that can change from, I was going to say minute to minute, but almost second to second. You get all these feeder bands coming off, and the wind just swirls around. It lets up every now and then it picks up again. So you can see the Boynton Beach inlet over there, where that little house is. Well, these people are actually brave in getting into the water. It's not every day you get a chance to take a picture like that, right? What do you guys think of this? It's pretty wild, huh?
This is, officially, this is my first hurricane.
This is your first hurricane?
First hurricane. I'm a Nebraska boy, so I've been through a bunch of stuff, but I've never done it.
You don't see, you get the tornadoes in the Midwest. You don't really get the hurricanes out there. Are you guys on vacation or you live here now?
Yeah, down on business, having a few days of pleasure.
Well, what a time you picked to come down, huh?
Yeah.
That's okay, but you know what? This is a spectacle. This is something to behold. I mean, especially if you've never been through one.
Oh, the power of the sea. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Just beautiful.
Well, stay safe, guys.
Take care.
Thanks for chatting. When you really realize how strong these gusts are is when the sand hits you. When there's anything that it's carrying that hits you, especially something as small and hard as a grain of sand. Alright guys, onward and upward. Let's continue our way north towards the Lake Worth Pier. Uh-oh, here comes the rain. Put the slicker back on. And these bits just come in just like that. I should have left it on. Run for cover! Hey, just out of curiosity, how far do you guys have to go to get to the closest ocean from Nebraska?
Oh my God.
Texas?
Texas, huh? Like Galveston?
Yeah.
Ah, that's not too bad.
No.
Get home safe, guys. Oh, it's doing this spurt thing. Come on, don't do that.
Funny. As the rain hits it,
Next time, just leave the slicker on barefoot.
It's turn right.
Okay. Onward and upward, guys. Here's the inlet.
is the end of Manalapan, where the O Hotel. We got flooding here, guys. I'm not sure I can make it through this.
Did you get stuck in that water?
You have a...
Well, I'm not sure I should try to go through it. This guy's turning around. Don't go through it, huh?
It's not worth it.
No. All right. Good luck, brother.
Hopefully I can get through here. This is a judgment call, guys. I'm not sure I can access parts north. Why don't we walk across to the O Hotel? You know what? I decided I don't want to park near this pole after seeing what happened to that last pole. So guys, why not? We're here. Let's go inside the hotel, and
If we might have to swim across the street to get to it. There's all kinds of activity out here. Tow trucks, a lot of cars being towed that tried to get through this. I mean, this is, guys, this is really deep. This is some serious flooding right here. And there's no way, I'm not gonna go through that. I don't know if there's any live power lines in there or not. Probably not, but I'm not gonna chance it. But look at this. And it's mucky, nasty water too. I don't want to put my feet in. Why is the flooding so bad right here, of all places? Why right here, do you know? It floods very easily, Manalapan? I mean, this spot, I came all the way from Delray. I didn't see any flooding like this. Just right here, it's just unbelievable. It's because of the intracoastal, maybe, huh? The water coming over, you think?
Yeah, the major haven't done that much of a job yet.
The sprinklers are on. Somebody forgot to turn off the sprinklers. Is that why it's flooded? The sprinklers. Hey, is there any way I can get over there?
Can you get over here?
Yeah, anyway?
Yeah.
A rowboat? I might have an open cut I don't realize. If I have an open wound, I'm in trouble. Yeah, guys, they are essentially cut off unless they want to meander through this. Sorry, oh, that ain't happening. I'm not gonna go there, but I might be able to get to the beach. Hey, is this all because of that water? Everybody's getting flooded out, huh? Yeah. All right, I'll avoid that, thank you. You see what I meant, guys, about detritus and debris and muck and gunk and just nasty ugliness that floats up everywhere. The water will just pick up anything that's loose and move it around. Something fell here. If there's anything left to fall, I don't want it coming down on my head. All right, I could actually get across this street. Traffic light is, well, it's blinking red now. So this here is actually Lantana's public beach. I said I didn't want to walk through it. So you'd ask yourself, you say, hey, Barefoot, it's only a Category 1, and it's still many hours away. Why is it going downhill so much like this? You gotta watch out for coconuts too. Anything that's loose can come right off and do some damage. Anyway, the answer to that question is because these outer bands extend for literally hundreds of miles, 400, maybe 500 miles. these conditions getting worse, and then if it starts to rain again, it could flood out even worse and make it more difficult for me to get back to the truck. Anyway, here's the public beach. Let's go check it out. How things over here?
Great.
Did you guys get caught in that those floodwaters over there? Nope. No, huh? You avoided that. You guys are the professionals.
Well, I went into the little plaza over there. That's how high the water was.
Yeah, I saw quite a few cars that were stuck there. There were tow trucks coming in, and you can see this squall over us right now that's coming here, and this is doing me almost no good whatsoever. But look at these conditions. Are you guys from this area?
Yeah.
Well, what do you think? Have you ever seen anything like this?
I have. They're from Canada.
Oh, you guys are from Canada?
Yeah.
You see, you meet people in hurricanes. It's great. Best way to meet people. Friends for life.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. Look at this water coming up here against this.
The stairs are already gone.
The stairs are gone.
Yeah. See it there?
Oh my goodness. Look at
They
that.
took ours out.
Incredible.
It's only going to get worse. We're going.
Yeah, it's going downhill.
It's like gone with the wind, gone with the water.
Back to the safety of the Canadian mountains.
Not me. I'm staying over a little bit.
You gonna stick around?
Oh, yeah.
You like the action, huh?
Oh, I love the action.
Oh, you're the adventurous type.
Oh, yeah. The bigger the storm, the better.
Are you Canadian too?
No, it's Boston, but I'm a Floridian now.
Good for you.
Yeah.
So you don't let hurricanes deter you?
No, because I keep myself safe, with my hurricane shutters. I know when to go out, when not to go out. Like right now, this is small.
Have you been through any other storms?
Yep, I went through Francis, Irene,
Oh, that's a long time ago. You're talking about 2004, so you've been here a while.
Oh my God, yes, my whole entire family.
Francis was the same year as Gene. That was 2004. Those were some bad
I
hurricanes.
got it on video, yeah.
Yeah.
Jean, Francis, and Irene. 3 of them.
That's right.
Yeah.
We had actually 4 hurricanes in a matter of 6 weeks that summer. And it drove a lot of people out of Florida. They called it the Great Exodus.
We lost a lot. Everybody's losing a lot nowadays anyway.
What would you say to somebody that's going through a hurricane maybe for their first time?
Anybody who hasn't been through a hurricane before, just stay in your house, be safe, make sure you have all and everything that you need.
New subscriber, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the yard.
Am I going to have to search you? There you are.
Space. Told you. No, it's okay. It's just gonna be a mess. See? We're still rolling. Next time on The Barefoot Vlogger.
Cozy confines of my truck.
Every time I think I've seen something I've never seen before, there's this. You know me? What's up?
Yeah, it's my birthday tomorrow.
Tomorrow's your birthday?
A hurricane.
Oh, a hurricane birthday. I love it. Happy birthday, Hurricane Hilda. We should have named that hurricane after you. So what am I in store for here? What am I about to see, Anna?
You're gonna see, like, look, there's like 10 feet, maybe even 12 feet waves so high. You see how high they are?
Yeah, come on, let's go swimming.
But I did already. I'm on my way.
A lot of good this is gonna do us. These could just grab you by the ankles or pull you out to sea. I don't know if I like being under here.